Alright, so what we have here, we have Infiniti EX35. Problem is that you can open the door even if you unlock it. So you can open it inside though, right? But you cannot open it here. So basically we're gonna have to open the whole thing. Hopefully this plastic piece here is not broken, because it's not easy to replace, because the keyhole is here. That means you're gonna have, if you're gonna need the whole thing, the whole this knob, doorknob, that means you're gonna have to switch the keyhole too, the key cylinder, into the new ones. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so right, so to open this, you're gonna have to take the door panel first. So you gotta remove this plastic cover here and to expose the screws, and then you're gonna remove this rubber mat to expose the screws. So once you remove the screws, those two screws, just pull the panel out and it will expose the cables, wires and everything. But you have to unhook this first before you can take it out. So it seems like the cable on this side is okay. So our problem is gonna be inside here. So we're gonna have to remove all this panel to see what's going on. Alright, so once you take all the screws, right, all the side screws and couple in the middle, so now you can open it. But make sure the window is up when you do this, because obviously if it's open, then you're gonna have issues. Alright, so what are we gonna have? We have here. Okay. Let's see. Well, seems like I'm going to drill the screw, because it loses the head. Tools just go spin in there. That thing is seized. So I'm gonna have to drill it just to take it out. The tool just spin there. It's already round now because it's seized. At this point, I kind of snapped the bolt because I welded it. So snap the bolt there. So not welded, but I drilled it. At this point, I gotta have to take the whole thing, take the window regulator and everything. In order for me to take, I gotta have to take the whole doorknob. This whole doorknob here, I gotta have to take it out in order for me to put this thing back properly. Alright, so see what happened to the screws. Seized over there, so much rust. It seizes, it won't come out. So now I'm gonna have to drill this. Hopefully I'm gonna get the rest out of this thing here. So now I should be able to remove this and put the thing back, the cable back. Hopefully it's just a cable, nothing breaks in there. Alright, here's our situation. The ball came out from the socket here, as you can see. So, well, you're gonna have to remove the whole bracket out from the door. Right, this is what it comes from inside, and that's where the bowl is. So now we're gonna have to bring that bowl back to here inside to the socket. So we're gonna remove here, put the bolt in the socket. Here it is. So now the bowl back to its socket. Right, the pora was all the way there. So now the bowl sits now over there. Sits there properly now. So yeah, and that's it. Now you're gonna have to put this back, and that should fix the issue. Okay, so the door handle is back, and got a screw there too, new screws, and the rest is just the panels cover back. All right, so everything is installed. So we'll see if it's open. There we go. Alright, job done. Thank you for watching.